Look at that. That is Valderrama Antique at night. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa may Mount Ikitkit, sa may Buluangan Uno, Valderrama Antique, and kasama ko yung mga taga Buluangan. Ang mga pogi sa Buluangan, of course, number 1 si Jik. Wow! Tapos yung boyfriend niya, si Jihod. And look at our food for this evening. Look at this one. Tinigang ni Jipot. Wow, perfect. Jollibee. And we have this sinugbang isda, binuog na isda. And of course, we have lechon manok. Asan yung lechon manok? Here's the lechon manok. And of course, we have the view. I don't know kung makukuha ng camera. Tingnan natin. Yung lights ng Buluangan Uno. Look at that. That is Valderrama Antique at night. So yun lang. For now, kakain muna kami. Bye-bye!